Wow, he put up a fight.
Hey, what's up guys? I hope you had a great summer and enjoyed your Halloween. For my birthday this summer, I got a new jet ski and decided to take it out for some fun on the Great South Bay. With a supercharged 1800cc engine and 250 horsepower, the 0 to 60 time is around 3.5 seconds. I recorded my experience using my new GoPro Hero 7 waterproof camera that I had a head mount for, and I figured I would share it with you guys. I have some other ideas for videos that I'm working on and I'm going to talk about at the end of the video, so be sure to watch the whole thing. So let's go catch some fish and clams on a jet ski.
Don't take it out of my hand.
There. Look, one landed on his back.
Yeah, shoot.
Oh, I got it, you got it. I made a short stop at a small island I call Seagull Island just to capture some videos of the scenery and wildlife and was careful not to disturb them too much. Then I headed to the bridge, which serves as a great fishing spot because of the underwater plants at its base. I'm using this gulp stuff, which actually is really good. The fish like literally can't resist it. Put it into the mouth like this, stick it in. I'm gonna turn the fish sideways like that, and then put it out through the side of the stomach like that, and then slide it on. When they bite the fish, they're kind of forced to bite on the hook there. I gotta put my sinker on now. Put it on here, and lock it back up, and then we're ready to roll. Occasionally I do catch a crab that is stubborn enough to hold on to the bait, and I did get bit. Oh wow, okay. Are you kidding? Look at him, he's still eating. Wow, that's a first. He's still eating. The fluke I was trying to catch are bottom feeders, and they have to be 19 inches to keep, so I wound up throwing the majority back. He's cute. Bye, buddy. Aw, another little baby fluke. Is this the same guy I caught before? No, I think he's even smaller. He's like a handheld little fluke. Hey, buddy. Look, he doesn't fight or anything. Go back to mommy and daddy. Go get your granddad. Whoa! Bye, buddy. After some time, I did start catching some bigger ones, though. Oh. See you later, buddy. Woo! A little bit too short. Until I finally caught a fluke that was over 20 inches long. Wow, that's a nice fluke. I also caught a bunch of baby black sea bass, but they need to be 15 inches to keep, and you really need to go to the ocean, so no keepers this summer.
Baby sea bass.
I also caught a lot of sea robin, which are native to these waters and have no size requirement. Most people find them undesirable, but if they're big enough, sometimes I will keep them. He's a little baby, and it
It's actually, I believe it's a northern sea robin. They have very, very sharp spines here. So I'm gonna let him go back home. What happened? Where am I? What am I doing in the swimming pool? Look at this. They're like very, very, very sharp thorns that stick out of his head. And that's his little warning to stay away. It's a little baby one. And he's got these spikes that he's trying to stick me with on the back too. I'm gonna throw his neck. Spider, whatever it is. Holy mackerel! Ooh, whoa! Easy. That's some sea robin, man. Oh my god, that's the biggest sea robin I've ever seen. Look how big he is! You caught a grandfather sea robin. He is massive.
We also caught a cocktail bluefish, or snapper, which also has no size requirement and are very fun to catch.
Nice catch. Nice blue. This is snapper, little cocktail blue.
I also caught a porgy, which got away, but he was too small anyway, and a couple of blowfish, which we decided to let go, of course.
It's a puffer fish. All right, see you later, buddy. You ready? Go back home.
I also took my cousin and her boyfriend clamming for the very first time.
You're gonna stick your foot in, like the tip of your toe, just to make a little indent, and then you're gonna take your heel and just kind of go back like this, back and forth like that, and just kind of walk your foot around in the area. Just be careful because there are some broken shells and stuff like that. Should probably be about 2 inches deep. Oh wow, hey, there you go, nice climb. So I think I got one here, let me see. Yeah. I think I got another one here. Come on. Caught a live conch. Nice. Oh, beautiful. They're really nice. We have 7. Oh, he got his first clam. All right. Nice clam. Yeah, it's all big. That's a nice one. That's a small one. Oh, beautiful. That's a good one? Beautiful. That's a nice little net. Because they're all over here spread out. You have to really, you know, they're not all located in one spot. They'll be around. Oh. As I say that, I think I got like 3 in a row. I think I just found like 3. Oh man, I think I hit the jackpot. Ready?
Here we go.
Boom. 1, 2, boom, 3. Oh, I hit the jackpot. No! I literally just found a family. Oh,
And
boom, 4. 4, 6, 2, 43, 44. We got 44 here. So basically, I'm gonna take the clam, and you see this little joint here, okay? Right in the middle of that joint, and I'm gonna press like this. Push it back and forth like this while applying pressure onto it, pushing it with my palm against the knife, and just get in there really hard. You have to kind of twist it back and forth until you feel it going in, okay? And once you get it in there, then you use the palm to push it even farther really hard, like that. Just pop it open like that. Okay?
I then made my famous garlic Gouda clams with a little oil, lemon, white wine, garlic butter, and topped with Gouda cheese for a delicious dinner. I had a lot of fun on the water over the summer, so I hope you guys enjoyed the video as much as I did making it. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up down below. I did catch hundreds of fish over the summer, but I only kept a very small percent. I obviously only keep them if I'm going to eat them and if they're the proper size. I have some ideas for some videos that I'd like to make soon. One of them is a new paper popper that's kind of similar to the other one, except it's easier, in my opinion, to actually get to pop, and it doubles as a stunt plane, and it pops just like this. With a few extra folds, it also becomes an awesome boomerang stunt plane.
Oh.
I'm also trying to design a new transforming ninja star. Some people have requested a new Rubik's tutorial, and I've gotten hundreds of requests for an origami Rubik's Cube, which some people have actually done tutorials for now. I will put a poll in the video so you can let me know which ideas you think are best, but I think the paper popper stunt plane is easy and quick, so I think that's going to be the next one directly. Thank you guys so much for your support, and I'll definitely be seeing you soon.